You okay? Yeah.
Yesterday at qualifying, ran out of talent. We hit a G out at about 90. We almost saved it, sent us into a pretty gnarly spin that neither of us ever been through. Body panels were flying off, and we got rung pretty good. I went to the hospital, get checked out just to be safe. They gave us the full head to toe scan and gave us the green light, said that we just had a real bad case of vertigo. But no, today I feel great. You know, bumps and bruises, but not sore at all. You know, thanks to all the other racers. I mean, I had no less than 100 phone calls yesterday and text messages checking on us. I mean, it's just, it's a big dysfunctional family out here, and we all love each other, and we're out here doing what we love.
I was good when I got out, but then I guess they said it's vertigo. It kind of set in, just kind of dizzy, and I wasn't as bad as Travis. I was okay, but it just kind of rung our bell there for a minute. It was a pretty violent crash. It was awesome that they were able to put the truck back together, and the team is awesome. We just keep fighting. You have the parts that you needed and people to help you, and so many people just jump in every time we've had a problem and helped us out, let us use their shop, and just all over the place. Everybody jumps in, and it's pretty cool. The race community's been good to us.
They worked on the truck till 10:30 last night, put new arms on it, stitched the body back together, went over the whole truck because we weren't going to come out here unless it was 100% as safe as it was today. So, the truck's safe. We feel confident with it. Just try to pick our way through traffic the best we can. It's going to be super dusty, and more than anything, we just want to finish this race. I felt super comfortable. We lost radio communications at mile 1, so me and Pete had 0. We couldn't talk at all.
Neither one of us were nervous getting back in the truck because me and Travis have been together a long time, so I have a lot of faith in him, and I think he has faith in me, and so we were really comfortable getting back in, and we just went after it like we usually do.
Wasn't for the crew, we wouldn't have been here racing. We would have already been at home. So it means a lot to us. We were doing good. I think we were up to second or first even at one point on time, they were saying. Then I hit a boulder and we got a right front flat, and we couldn't get the jack to work. So it was probably a 6-minute tire change that screwed us big time. And then we got back in the dust. The dust, sucks getting behind those guys. We tried to push at that last 20 miles of really rough stuff, and to make up some time, but it was too little, too late. But again, I think we ended up 6th or something. So hey, we'll take it and go on to the next one.